In a world in which jobs, transportation, and mobility of our lives is all occurring, custody suits get very complicated when state lines start getting crossed. Texas has specific laws in this regard and is a member of the Uniform Child Custody Jurisdiction Enforcement Act, referred to frequently as UCCJEA. And it's going to follow that most of the time. I mean, everybody lives in Texas, jurisdiction is in Texas. If the child has significant contacts here, and the family and relatives and teachers and attachments are established here, original action, you have jurisdiction here. If the child and one of the parents lives here for 6 months and a suit has been filed previously, this is the home state and there's jurisdiction here. If the child is wrongfully abducted from this state, you still have jurisdiction here. Or in all cases, regardless of the circumstances, if the child's here is abandoned, mistreated, or there's an emergency, you can get emergency relief. Not jurisdiction for a whole case, but you can get emergency relief until the interstate issues are sorted out. Now, once you have jurisdiction in Texas, how long? It's exclusive. You're the same court. You have to go back to the same court. But how is that exclusivity lost? Well, if both parents and the child or children do not reside in Texas, another court can take jurisdiction. Likewise, if you and your child, or your child and the ex-wife or mother of the child reside here, you can establish jurisdiction here, no matter what the other state's ruling was, to modify it. And you can retain that jurisdiction. If neither the child or a child and one parent live here, or there's no significant contacts, you lose jurisdiction. Now, how do you modify an order? The court doesn't have jurisdiction to modify a foreign decree until the other state determines that it doesn't have jurisdiction or finds that Texas would be a more convenient forum. That's a lot of occasions that the judges get together and decide where the best forum is, and the parties may be stuck with that, absent an abuse of discretion. Or, again, if the child and the parents do not presently reside in another state, you can have jurisdiction in the state of Texas. It's somewhat complicated, and it's very difficult in a short statement to provide all the law in this regard. It's very case-intensive, too. If there's abduction involved, and the Federal Bureau of Investigation is involved, or if there are other felonies involving crossing lines, that can be instrumental in the findings of a court. But the key in all these matters is get to a lawyer and assert your rights quickly. If the child is here, get an order to enter, the child can't leave, whether you believe there's jurisdiction or not. Recording judgments from any other states, get them registered and put an onus on the other side to object to them. And at least protect yourself and your child until the court can make a ruling on its power to alter a decree or to enter a modification.
Nacol Law Firm, may I help you?